In today's video, we will review care and maintenance of your ballistic helmet. To care for your ballistic helmet, you will need rubbing alcohol, a sponge, a damp cloth, and a toothbrush. First, you will apply alcohol to the toothbrush bristles and clean the outer helmet shell. This will include the rails and MVG shroud. Next, turn the helmet over and remove the D3O pads as needed. To clean, gently scrub with toothbrush and then wipe clean with sponge. Allow pads to air dry before reattaching D3O pads to the Velcro dots located on the inner shell of the helmet. Once the helmet and components have air dried, the helmet is ready for use or can be stowed away.